Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, we're watching temperatures that again start out very warm around here, 80 degrees already at this hour. A lot of clear sky out there, though. That's a good thing. When the sun rises and starts to beat down, temperatures will rise pretty quickly because there's just not a lot of cloud cover around, and I think it'll probably be later in the afternoon before we see those showers and thunderstorms build. Probably a little bit later onset to that happening. 74 degree, the dew point temperature. We have an east wind coming in at about 7. That east wind is a key wind to our forecast today. 77 in Wauchula, Arcadia, Mayaca, 78 in Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch, Northport, the same 76 degrees in Punta Gorda, 79s in Venice and Inglewood, and as I mentioned, 82 out there at Longboat Key. Look at the wind speeds out of the east. Currently will continue through the east throughout the afternoon, building right along the immediate coast, a southwest flow with the sea breeze building. But this general easterly wind will continue to push the showers back toward the coastline, a pattern that we've seen over the last several days and will continue to see over the next several days. Traveling today? Well, there are some severe weather threats. Cincinnati, Cleveland, Buffalo, eventually, Pittsburgh and New York all under the gun for severe weather today as a frontal boundary produces a line of storms that's strong. We don't have that situation here this morning. In fact, after a round of showers and thunderstorms that moved through last night, everything's pretty stable across the region currently. Don't expect to see much in the way of developing thunderstorm activity till probably around 4 or 5 o'clock, and those showers and thunderstorms that build will be mostly in inland areas, followed by a general drift toward the coastline in the evening hours. Tide and radar, as I mentioned, showing everything very quiet across the forecast area with high pressure, the dominant weather feature just to our north. Traveling to the Atlanta airport today or the Raleigh-Durham or Charlotte airports should not be a problem. Should be a-okay. Our area will be under the influence, as I mentioned, of that southeasterly to easterly wind flow as high pressure continues to exert its force. That will take our storms that build in inland areas and make them west movers once again. Severe weather threat is not that great today, though, as always, a severe thunderstorm could potentially build. West moving storms, hot afternoon temperatures, feels like temperatures again around 108 degrees or so, and then partly sunny skies into the afternoon as the storms build. The rainfall forecast from the RPM computer model is pretty much unchanged. The sea breeze builds, showers and thunderstorms come in from the other coast. They start to blossom as we hit that sea breeze, which will be kept close to the coast by that general easterly wind flow. And then as the sea breeze collapses, everything moves out into Gulf waters where it dissipates. That'll be true again tomorrow as well, with west moving storms building inland, drifting off toward the coastline. There's really not much of a change there. We have a little bit of drier air that's trying to filter in. That's what this tan contour is on the water vapor imagery. That does mean that we'll probably see a later day onset of showers and thunderstorms. It also means that back to the west, there's plenty of dry air still in place that's going to limit any kind of tropical activity for the next 5 to 7 days. So that's good news there. Northwest wind developing to the east as the sea breeze collapses later in the day. 2-foot seas, light chop. Nice boating day, I think. And as we head into the 7 days ahead, it looks like more of the same. Highs in the mid-90s, rain chances 40-50%. Back to you.